Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'm going to get to it. So this is another tooth perspective landscape sketch. I am approaching this topic really I'm utilising basically the learning methods that I gathered and I utilised when I was doing portraits, because I gained a lot of effective skills and it's now transferred over into this topic, which it's a learning method, so it will transfer over. Basically use this learning method for anything. So my husband actually was the first one that was the only one that told me about this learning method. Sorry, the camera wobbled there. He utilised it through university and now into his career as a software engineer, and he's never done any art at all, and he told me about it, and now I have gained a lot of experience and effective skills in sketching and perspective, portrait, proportions, ratios, structure, everything. So yeah, definitely give this a try. Let me know what you think. I do utilise geometric and observational methods combined with good speed, creating the feedback loop. Let me know what you think, and also contact me if you want more information. I shall get back to you. Thanks guys.